Why Hamilton escaped penalty for crash Alonso slated him for. Lewis Hamilton was labelled an idiot by fellow Formula One champion Fernando Alonso after their Belgian Grand Prix collision, but the stewards elected not to penalise the Mercedes man due to mitigating factors. Hamilton had tried to go around the outside his sometime McLaren teammate Alonso, entering Les Combes on the opening lap, but was hit by the Spaniard's Alpine, with Hamilton's Mercedes sustaining what ended up race-ending damage. Alonso, who lost positions in the contact but managed to continue, absolutely excoriated Hamilton on team radio in the aftermath, telling his Alpine team, "What an idiot! Closing the door from the outside. We had a mega start, but this guy only knows how to drive starting first. Why does he close the door?" The FIA stewards investigated the clash during the race and effectively backed up Alonso's view that he was blameless. Yet, they decided against sanctioning Hamilton, seemingly applying the opening lap lenience that has been an unwritten policy of the governing body in recent F1 seasons. The stewards reviewed the video evidence and determined that Alonso was on the inside at turn 5. The verdict read: Hamilton's front wheels were ahead of Alonso's at the entry to the corner. Alonso moved his car off the line to the inside, with both right side tyres fully on the curb, and even somewhat inside the curb. At no point did Alonso appear to lose control or understeer. Hamilton turned in towards the apex of the corner, with Alonso still alongside, and the collision occurred. The stewards considered that this was a first lap incident with a lot of movement relative to the other cars in the first few corners, and thus take no further action.